There are some very exciting, interesting new developments with the Kadena ecosystem. We are going to get right into it today. I'm going to give you my opinion. I'm going to show you some things that I've been looking at, and let's get right into it. So here we are on the Kadena.io website. Kadena ecosystem projects are 54. This is not the greatest amount of number of projects I would like to see right now being developed on Kadena, but they're growing a little bit. But I think if you are familiar with the Kadena ecosystem, Kadena blockchain, you are going to know that we've been waiting for Marmalade to come out. That is the NFT platform, NFT marketplace specific to Kadena, and I've been doing a little research into it. It looks very cool, looks quite interesting, and I guess their version 2 just recently launched. Also up here, Koala Wallet. This is on Kadena. This is one of the partnerships with Kadena. I recently did a video with their founder, so if you want to check that out, if you're interested in where to keep your Kadena. Now, I am not an affiliate with them. I'm not affiliated with Kadena at all. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. I am not going to guarantee any of these things, any of these wallets. I've been using Koala Wallet for a bit. I keep my Kadena in different places. I keep my cryptocurrency in different wallets, try to keep everything in cold storage as possible and the smallest amount on exchanges, because if you've been here for a little bit, you saw what happened last year and the collapse of the centralized exchanges and lending protocols. But anyways, let's get into Marmalade. Here we are on the marmalade.art website, a place where you can create NFTs on the Kadena blockchain. They look very cool. There are some different aspects here that you can customize your NFTs. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just kind of general overall what is looking really cool about Marmalade. And then I'm probably going to make another video on how to actually mint an NFT on Marmalade. So let's look at what we got going on here. So you can toggle these there's different areas, different ways that you can customize your NFTs, which seems really cool. And it's native on the blockchain, the non-fungible royalties. You can create collections. And then down here, there's a create a policy. So you can actually customize and create a certain attribute or policy to your NFT on the Kadena blockchain. If we go in here, it actually looks really cool. There's these different capabilities here: governance, quote, escrow, init call, transfer call, mint, burn, offer, withdraw, buy, call, sale guard, sale whitelist. So there's all these different functions that you can add to your NFT that is going to be built into the NFT itself on the blockchain. It'll happen automatically. I'm not super technologically savvy. I'm not a coder, so I probably can't speak as in-depth as maybe someone who has minted a lot of NFTs on the blockchain. I have minted NFTs on Ethereum, and I was looking into how to mint an NFT of Marmalade. I'm going to do probably another video on that another time. But let's look at these. The immutable record. As the co-inventors of the original blockchain, Stuart Haber and Scott Stornett digitized historical moments onto Kadena's blockchain through their project Immutable Record. It looked interesting, but what looked pretty cool, the two NFT projects that got me a little excited, and I think there's a lot of potential there: the database of native assets and the Kadana Mining Club. It looks like the DNA.tech here. This is about connecting physical objects in the real world and connecting them to a blockchain seamlessly to prove authentication and to create provenance. So it seems like they're kind of targeting the fine art world, but I think with a lot of the people in the crypto space, we see the potential of NFTs moving forward, say with assets, properties, real world assets, cars, clothing, whatever, anything you own in real life can then be transferred and show that ownership on a blockchain, on a non-fungible token that can't be changed. I think there is a lot of value here. This, I believe, will happen eventually with a lot of things. It's just going to be who's actually going to be able to execute this. Now, something I'm a little concerned about, I actually reached out to the team today because I would like to try to talk to them, because if you click on start now or you start trying to get into any of this, it just takes you to an email to them. So with any crypto projects, any NFT projects, be so careful about what you put your money into, because there's just no guarantees here. There is very little to zero regulation on what's going on in this space. But I think the mission and what they're trying to do here sounds really exciting and very cool. And going to businesses and saying, hey, when you sell products, you can automatically attach proof of ownership to the product you're selling, give it to the customer so they have a way to prove that they own something. So I clicked for ask for a demo. Basically, it just sends me to an email address to email them. So this doesn't really seem like it's functional at this point. This doesn't look like the greatest quality website, unfortunately, but they're giving an example of a Sotheby's ring that was then put into a non-fungible token on the blockchain. But I don't even know if this ring here used the DNA.tech website, or if this is just saying that this happened, so this is a potential use case for their product. Now, another NFT project that is on Marmalade right now that looked pretty interesting, pretty cool. I personally am staying quite clear of NFTs. I think that in the past crypto crash that happened, you just saw enough volatility. I'm taking enough risk just investing in cryptocurrencies in general. So I'm not necessarily saying go out and buy one of these NFTs. I'm personally probably not going to do that at this point in time. But I think that they're just showing what can be done with NFTs. And this is an interesting take on NFTs and creating more value with an NFT instead of just selling a general JPEG and trying to create some sort of demand for it. But basically what they're saying they're doing is by owning these NFTs, you are then owning a portion of their Kadena mining. So it's a way that they're saying you can mine without actually having to own the rigs or buy the rigs or monitor them. You just buy the NFT and then you get some sort of royalty. So it says here now hosting 3000 W plus ASICs at 88 cents per kilowatt hours. I'm not super savvy in the Kadena mining world. So I was trying to figure out what your actual ROI is for these, but it just looked like kind of an interesting NFT project. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. The Kadana Mining Club's mission is to provide a way for everyone to mine cryptocurrency, specifically Kadena and KDA. We bring the greatest innovation to the mining ecosystem since the introduction of ASICs themselves, linking Kadena ASIC miners directly to NFTs. There's also a way, I believe, through this website to buy ASIC miners. I'm not guaranteeing that they're legit. I haven't spoken with these people. I don't know this project personally at all. This is just something that I was recently learning about. Real mining, real rewards. So the minting has already happened. Now we can look at the marketplace. This is the marketplace for Kadana Mining Club, official NFTs. We have 10,420. There's 31 for sale. There are 1,027 different owners. So it seems like the people who minted these bought quite a few of these Kadenas each. The floor price is $285. I think just this morning when I looked at it, it was $300. So this floor price is coming down. I think with any NFT project, I would definitely watch it for a little bit to see what direction the price is moving. Because once these things start moving down, it'll take something to really make them turn and move the other direction. Maybe when the price of Kadena pops, if the price of Kadena pops later on in the next bull run, these things could go up quite a bit in value. And it's just cool that there is some sort of passive income, passive rewards. If you don't want to deal with the actual mining of Kadena, essentially you could buy these NFTs and you should get a return. Now, I don't know what that exact return is. That's something I would try to figure out before you buy one of these NFTs. But these are your different NFTs here. You can click on this one here and see buy now for 298. See, this is worrisome, right? Highest offer, 0 Kadena. So no one's making any offers on these right now. There's no history. This just gives like its attributes here. Winner's Cup, head aluminum, 3,600. So there's different like rarity attributes here on this. So here we have, this looks like the dashboard. So I don't own any of these right now, so it's not telling me, but it's saying here estimated rewards based on average miner performance, current staked miners. I believe this is where you would get your Kadena rewards, total mining power. There's this is like going to be your dashboard for your hash rate and everything. It seems pretty interesting. It seems kind of cool. If you're really bullish on Kadena, this could be fun. But as of right now, with the price of Kadena, I would probably just buy KDA off an exchange and hodl it. until it goes back up. It looks like an interesting project, right? It looks cool. It looks like a new take on NFTs. I like to see that. I'm personally not really dabbling in NFTs, I don't think. I bought a few back during the last bull run, lost some money, made a little bit of money. But I think just buying crypto in general is risky enough for me. But if you're a deep Kadena head and you're looking to learn more about the NFT marketplace and the potentials of Marmalade, now I think that what Marmalade's trying to do is very exciting, and it's something that the NFT marketplace I think will need, but there's just so many different players in this space. There's a lot of saturation. There's a lot of risk. There's a lot of people who lost a lot of money in the last crash. So I think that hurts the overall growth of the market. So that is Marmalade. I am going to reach out. I reached out to the DNA.tech people. I'm probably going to reach out to the Kadana miners to see if I can get on a call maybe with somebody and learn some more about it, share some more information with you guys. Stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be careful out there, guys.